Hey, artists of Oli, let's get this 2-point perspective drawing finished. Mis amigos artistas, ahora vamos a cumplir con este dibujo. So we need to figure out how we're going to get the lines for our windows to be in perspective and to be the right size compared to one another. First thing we're going to do is, just like before, we're going to draw lines from the vanishing point over to this building. But where are we going to put them? One right in the middle, then divide that distance in half, and then divide that distance in half. That's an easy way to do it for this building, since we can put as many windows as we want. After you've drawn those lines, erase everything but that, and you've got the windows on that side of the building in perfect perspective. You have to redraw the lines on this building because they're starting from different places here than these lines did. So redraw for the smaller building. Same thing, erase away the guidelines. And if you repeat that process on the other side, you'll have exactly proportioned and properly angled window lines that are convincing. Si sigues haciendo la misma cosa, vas a tener líneas que aparecen bastante bien, correctas. Now, to find the line vertically between windows, there's a little problem. If we put it right here exactly halfway between these 2 points, it actually doesn't look right if you think about it. These windows look like they'd actually be much longer if you could see them from out in the street. La cosa es que las ventanas para atrás aparecen más largas que en realidad son, porque si ponemos esta línea en el centro, entonces nos da la impresión que son de tamaños diferentes. Pero si lo ponemos un poco para atrás, if we just move that line a little bit back from the center, now our brain is going to say, oh, that window is the same size, but it's smaller away. Si lo ponemos así, el cerebro lo identifica como dos ventanas del mismo tamaño, pero vistas de diferente perspectiva. So once we found our centers by just moving a little back from center, you don't have to get mathematical. Just move it back a little from the center on each area. Do that on that side too. Move that back a little from the center again. And then to find the other lines, just divide those spaces the same way. Ahora vamos a dividir de la misma manera. Esta línea es un poco para atrás del centro exacto. It's a little bit back from the exact center, and that makes it look like this window is the same size as that one if you think about the perspective. Da la impresión que son del mismo tamaño entonces. So once you have your windows drawn in, you've got a lovely drawing, un dibujo bellísimo. You might think about a little atmospheric perspective. Maybe do something with your landscape. Maybe another layer of landscape. What about down here? Want to draw in some street details? Guess how you do that? Vanishing points. There's the other side of the street. Just like that. You decide how you're going to finish it. This is still just 2-point perspective part 2. This is not a separate turn-in. This is just how to finish that drawing. Este todavía es tarea 5, 2-point perspective parte 2. Este es el dibujo. No tienes que hacer un nuevo dibujo. Quiero que cumplas el mismo dibujo que hemos trabajado hasta ahora. Okay, so this is the drawing as it is for turning in for assignment 5. This is not a separate assignment. All right. Buenas noches, artistas de Oli.